I have come to warn you to be very careful in this palace. This throne will be taken away from you if care is not taken. When that bell rings, do not allow the bell to be brought in the palace vault. If you do, yours is gone. So do all within your powers to avoid that.
Mirima, Abalawai, I trust you. Your information always comes at the best time. Do not worry, I will send you a robust gift. I know exactly how to appreciate you. As for those two urchins, I know they are after my life, but Mapiawahazo, I swear, Mapiawahazo, I will deal with them. I will crush them.
Don't do that, Agwike. For me to have come out of the throne means I have made one or two strong and Unwebe. Anyone who sits on this throne without your permission will die. Don't do it. The war has just started. Wait for it.
I like that. The war has just started.
Why are you wailing like someone whose hope in life has been dashed? What happened?
Last night his breath was not so good. So I alerted the doctor on duty. Yes, he knows to peace and oxygen. Only for me to wake up this morning and go and die is gone. Now finally succeeded in taking his life.
Brother has been bedridden for 8 good years. Just because he said he's the right regent of Aka community. And this thing is happening in my lifetime. Gabata died. So that they can be free and keep this too. But the war had just started. Calm down. Nico. My brother, calm down. I think what we should be thinking about now is whether we should bury him immediately or deposit his corpse at the morgue.
Bury what?
What are you talking about? Just like that, bury him? No! He must be buried as a prince, and every right must be given to him. Yes!
Brother, please. I don't want to lose any one of you. Agwike is very powerful. He has all the powers in this world. He has been trying to terminate all of us. Our advice will bring him here and bury him so we can move on with our lives.
Chamaka, you're right. No, yes, we can never relent on our fight, on how to dethrone this man. But please, let us bury our brother first. Then we can now go back and fight him. Meanwhile, did you discuss anything, about his cause with the doctor or the nurses?
No. I only told them to keep the body in the ward so I can call my brothers. Brother, please, let's go there. The discussion of this throne should not be the first thing. I beg you, my brothers.
Do you know the truth, Ikega? Ugabata must be buried beside our late father, the king, and the grandfather, inside that palace vault. Yes, and I don't want anybody to change this decision. See, if you want to fight, you have to fight to the end. That is how you should be. So after these 8 years of long suffering, you suffered all this and still died. Nurse, thank you so much. My sister told me the effort that you made, to make sure our brother survived. But got to no avail. The gods had their plans. Thank you. We really appreciate it. Where's the corpse? Is he still in the ward?
Yes, sir. And he should be moved to the mortuary to avoid body toxins and its outcome. Moreover, the doctor already instructed he should be moved. But I insisted you guys should first see him.
Is that Dr. Mad or something? We're talking about a prince. The head of a royal home. Don't let me get angry here.
I'm so sorry, sir.
Nurse, please don't worry. My brother is not happy about the loss. Shall we go and see him and possible plan for his removal?
Yeah, yes, come, let's go. Let's go.
Nurse, I wouldn't want you to get angry because of what happened. They are my brothers and they are really going through a lot. Something is really bothering them.
I know what it means to lose a brother. I understand everything, even to an extent, on what is happening at Akawa Royal Home.
Are you from Akawa?
Yes, I am. And my grandmother told me about the late king and how everything happened. Though she's late, but all she told me is still in my brain. So I really understood the hang of your brother. But in all, the truth shall be told, and I know the truth.
The truth should not depart from your tongue. Always stand by it because it is our tradition and culture of our people. Because it is only the truth that can salvage it. They are waiting for me. Let me run along. We'll be communicating. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.
Is this not to threaten us? Agike just wallowing in a fruitless trap. What is this? We don't know what brought you here.
Brother, please don't sit down. For this thing to find its way to this house, it means danger. Please don't sit.
I think Chamaka is right. We don't know the intention of the sender. Since this thing has generated like this, I advise all of us to be very careful going forward. The sender and the snake are worthless. I have the offer of my father. And also have the original oil from the king's bag given to our mother. Nothing is happening. We can't continue to run away from this. As far as I breathe, I know that the powers of our great-grandfather are here.
Brother. Brother, did you check up on him?
Don't worry. You'll be fine. I told you. You'll be fine. The plans these people had against our family did not work. And it will never work. See, your brother Ozondo is not even a human being to start with.
Did you say Brother Ozondo is dead? This one is no longer a human being.
Chiamaka, the journey to Umuizo is not easy. Those who have been arguing about Izo not being the child of Nze have not been able to prove it. Same thing applies to the Ofo of Akawa Kingdom. He has not been able to prove the reasons behind so many things happening in the kingdom. So go and sit down.
But I'm scared though. Let me go and finish up in the kitchen.
No problem.
I do not want to take your life yet, but I, Mirima, will infect you with blindness. Go and ask about Mirima at the very Uyo River across the other state. Aguike shall rule over you, and there is nothing anyone shall do about it. If you insist on him leaving the throne, then dig your own grave. I am Mirima, the greatest of them all. Be warned.
You lie. If you think you have such powers, then why are you hiding yourself? Come out and face me. I'm standing here physically waiting for you. Aguike does not belong to that royal lineage. It doesn't have anything to do with that throne of my forefathers. And let me warn you, the next time you come out, I will tear you to pieces. Where are you? Rubbish. Where are you hiding?
You shall do all you can to eliminate that idiot called Ozondo. He's the one fighting this throne. He has all it takes for this battle. I have warned him to avoid striking him with death if care is not taken.
You shouldn't have warned him, Mirima. You should have struck him immediately. His mother was a psycho. My father, the king, sent her away from this place because he found out she was sleeping with the late Onowu. They do not belong here. They are not children from my father. Kill them all!
Ozondo has the offer of this town. How did he get it?
His psycho mother stole it from here. I've tried all I can to get that offer, all to no avail. I will not allow them hold it any further.
Aguike, you are a strong man. I know my limits in this fight, but that offer is a very strong traditional staff of office. Mirima does not go close to it. Get it. Use it and reign more. The gods are angry about this.
Onye chi mmadụ n'ala
Your Majesty.
Go to my mother's room. Tell her I wish to see her now. Tell her it's urgent. If she needs help, help her get up. Go.
If anyone have not seen, I, Ikenna, have seen. And even the gods have shown me my dreams. But I will not say it until I am consulted.
Imagine this boy, you. Wait. Consulted as who?
Do I blame you? Because all of us are working in this palace. In my family as we speak, I am the one they said I should come back and handle the king. Right from my childhood days, I see things. If we are not careful, most of us will pack our things and run away.
Ikenna, stop joking with everything. We are serious about the voices we heard and do not say walk in or walk out. Yes, we hear voice.
And I tell you again, very soon, everything will be exposed and we shall see. Unless what they are showing the king to be is not meant to be in this palace. And I will not stay long anymore.
Well, I have seen enough. We all know Ugo Abata is dead. He died in the hospital a few days back. And we have seen the outcome of his visit. The king's mother is a witch. And she has sworn to finish Ugo Abata and his family.
Polygamy is not a good thing. Just look at the way brothers are fighting against each other.
It's not all about polygamy, but something deep. And it has divided the Akawa Royal Council. Something is very wrong. Something is very wrong.
Tell us what is really happening, so we all should be led to avoid one losing his or her life in this palace.
Mother, we will not blink on that issue. Never. How can those two little rascals return to this kingdom from their mother's place and start giving trouble? I will not allow it, Mother. I will crush them.
Yes.
Good thing is, the head has been cut off. Soon, those two will follow.
Wait. Ugabata is dead?
Of course he's dead. Like I told you, Mother, soon those two rascals will follow. Haven't you noticed the palace is now calm?
Son, I have said it that I will not allow anybody walk into this palace and talk rubbish about you. Yes, the gods did not bless me with children. But the only one they gave to me, which is you, must be respected and allowed to sit on the throne of your fathers. Son, listen. You must not allow anyone take over this throne, no matter what. Even if I close my eyes in death, don't allow anyone take this too. It's a good thing Ugabata is dead. Thank God for this good news. The good news of Ugabata's death. It is the best news I have heard today. I'm so glad.
Olugo, wekele mwaji aba, Olugo, mwajo mwaji aba, dị n'ala o jikwa onwe ya onye ji nwatakịrị n'ala onwe ya ka ọ na-ata afụfụ onye ji mmadụ ibe ya o jikwa onwe ya onye ji nwatakịrị n'ala onwe ya ka ọ na-ata afụfụ ya mala mmanụ anụ abụ ife onye chọrọ ka ọ ga-afụ ode n'ụwa okilikili ka na-agba ukwu ose adị alị elu nkili ka na-ekili ododo ejiri ododo eni ozu ma ncha nwata bunye nna ya enu ayochie ya nwata bunye nna ya enu ayochie ya.
I'm sure you have heard about the death of Ugabata, the crowned king of this kingdom. We are not here to banter words with anybody, but to let you know that Ugabata will be buried in this palace as soon as we are ready.
And we do not need your permission because you are not from the royal blood. And for your information, this chair you're sitting on, the chair that you have desecrated, will consume your life.
How dare you? How dare you two bastards walk into my palace, stand in front of me and utter such nonsense? I don't blame you. I blame your psycho mother who kept on spreading her legs everywhere, spreading her legs to virtually everybody until she had you two bastards. And then she deceived my father into accepting you as his sons. Get out of my palace now before...
Is that what she told you? She didn't tell you how you were picked up from a motherless home after being pushed at a quack maternity by a mad woman from Uweke. Huh? She didn't tell you that? We know all the history. You made our mother leave the palace. We have the history. But we're not there yet. Just know that you're a borrowed blood. You don't belong here. But as soon as we are ready, we'll rescue you to anywhere you like.
You have been saying all sorts of things about me. But today, I will personally pull you out. I am going to pull out your tongues. Wait for it.
Oh, Ashe. Oh, you can't do anything.
Just wait and see.
Guards,
Your Highness.
move these two bastards out of my palace.
My eyes! My eyes! My eyes! Your Highness! My eyes! Your Highness, my eyes! You see? I told you all that something is wrong in this palace. Since the elders stopped coming and the rumors started to be true, I almost got blind today. I think I have to leave this work before person dies.
Those two men, there's something else. Each time their foot step this palace, there must be trouble. Especially that one that almost got us blind. He's so ruthless.
Beacon, what is really the issue? We have been hearing all sorts of things. Are we safe in this palace?
We are safe. We are. You know the king married 2 wives. The first one gave birth to our king, Agwike. Those ones, they're just from the second wife. I don't know what they're dragging, apart from the fact that one of their brothers died.
There is something deeper going on that we don't know. But as for me, I will not come and die here because of this work. I will not die because of this work. Thank God I'm seeing.
You said you're safe, eh? You can stay here. I'm leaving. Stay safe.
Ikenna! Ikenna!
What are they looking for with your head in this kingdom? What are they looking for? What wrong have I done to my enemies? I gave birth to you in London, where my husband, the king, sent me for 2 years. I came back here and they said I went to adopt a son. My husband summoned all the elders and I was able to prove it to them that I gave birth to you. The annoying part is that the second wife your father married, he married her when you were 12 years old. Oh. Look at that, going about saying all sorts of things, all sorts of rubbish. Just because they want to take over this throne, but it will not happen. It will not happen. You see this throne, you will sit on it till you die. You will sit on this throne. It's your right.
Do not bother yourself, mother. Nobody will take what rightfully belongs to me. This throne is mine. Nobody will take what is mine. Nobody. Let them try. I promise you I will crush them. Leave the elders. Let them plan whatever they want to plan. They can form a cartel against me. Come at me. I will crush them. Mother, don't bother yourself. Do not even lose sleep over it.
My son, we must find a way to honor life that Uzod. He is the arrowhead of this whole confusion. His brother is very calm. His brother doesn't even care about the throne. But you see Uzondo, when you look into his eyes, you will see the greed. He wants to sit on this throne. So we must find a way to honor life. You understand? And that Ozabata, never you agree that his body be brought into this palace. Talk less of being buried in the palace vault. Don't allow it.
Was he a prince? Is he my father's son? Let them prove that first.
No, my son. We will not go the route of proving. We don't have to prove anything. Okay? Let us just do it diplomatically. Let him not enter here. He wasn't a king. Let his body not be brought in here. No need of proving anything.
To kill the useless Ozondo should be very hard. If he was around, the elder brother should be protected. That guy is strong enough to even kill you if care is not taken. He is keen on taking this throne away from you, and once he gets the support of the elders, you are gone.
Mirima, are you saying we no longer have the powers to control this palace?
Remember, I told you there are oaths around this throne, and it passes through royal blood. Each time I come here, I find it very hot. As you can see, I came ordinarily and I avoided the throne.
Does it mean I'm not part of the royal blood?
A child born in a royal home is a royal blood. Stop being too arrogant this time. Move. Find the elders as I continue my fight with those idiots. I shall also tell you to seek for relevance.
Thank God that you are all back in the kingdom to start the fight that we all here fought before Onowu died. Onowu was killed just because he was against the evil Lolo Agunwa was portraying in this kingdom. He was killed just like that. And since then, we have vowed never to step our feet in that palace.
That borrowed blood has desecrated our land and the throne of the land. The late Igwe was fed with all kinds of lies when Lola Agonwa lied that she was pregnant and she was sent to London. She came back with that child. I personally knew that that child is not a royal blood. I was the one that went to Ogumasa to find out the truth. Yet the late Igwe could not believe me.
That boy is not from our community. Besides, he has no trace of royalty in him.
At all.
But he is not from Akawa kingdom. How can we be seated here, keep quiet and watch an unknown person sit on the throne of our fathers? Are we all monkeys? They planned and assassinated our own Owu, and we all ran away. Now that the royal blood are here, let us march them straight up.
Yes. My elders, I greet you all. Thanks for your voices. We came back because we were also their target.
Yeah?
Yes. I can count how many times that our lives were threatened. Yes, they threatened our lives. In fact, we are back to right the wrongs. Oh yes, we're here to save our community and to make sacrifices that will help redefine the throne. First thing first, the key to Gabata, who is the heir to the throne. We know all that happened, but that is because I was not around. Ugabata was just fighting with his fists. Asinana akwala, une Gigi, anakonyogodu. You are going to bury Ugabata in that palace. Yes, that fake king and his mother said over their dear bodies. Well, let's see how it goes.
I demand that woman has done a lot of evil. And we must go there and show her this time. It is our king that died.
Yes.
Let us go and show them and finalize how the burial will take place. Our Igwe Ugwabata was a great king.
Yeah, he was. Ichiogaga. Amen goes to Amen goes to
Hey, Ofama.
Chiamaka, please don't call me. Don't call me. Good morning, I am fine. Chiamaka, you abandoned me. Not even a call I didn't get from you.
Don't mind me. You know I've been very busy. I lost my brother. I'm so sorry. Oh, I want to say thank you for all your kind gestures at the hospital. I will never take it for granted.
Chiamaka, you are my sister. I am pissed because you didn't call me. You didn't tell me your brother died. I heard it from people. I also heard that your brothers are planning on burying him in the palace. Would that be possible?
They have done their own. It is now our turn. Ha! They will take what belongs to them. They are back.
Chiamaka, you know I've gotten my own share of this issue. I lost my father, do you know, to this. He was assassinated. But they will hear from me as well.
They will hear from you. You that is afraid. Because nothing stop an Ago like you from going to that palace to strangle that witch.
I like the fact that you called me an Ago. Chiamaka, see, I know my limit. And every document, every evidence is my father gathered during the investigation on this issue are in my possession. Yes, I must revenge my father's death.
That fool sitting on that throne is not a royal blood. He was adopted. My mother died on top of this matter. No, he cannot sit on that throne. He has to vacate it.
Yeah, Maka, my problem with our people is that with all the information going around about adoption, our people are still taking part in it. Look at, nothing is moving forward. We are all suffering because of this issue. Everybody knows that that boy is adopted. He's not the biological son of Lord Agunwa. But we are the ones suffering it. Anyways, Chiamaka, I will call you later. We'll talk. Okay. But I have not forgiven you.
I'm sorry.
I have not forgiven you.
Run away.
Because you know, I don't know how to get angry.
Hey, Uncle. Good morning, sir. Sir?
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Good thing I met you at home this morning.
How are your brothers battling with the burial arrangements and all the problems facing it? Have they gone to the palace to sort things out?
Yes, they did. But that woman said over a dead body. That is why my brothers asked me to come and tell you what has been happening. They even left this morning with the palace council to discuss about it.
Hi! William Baji. William Baji. Ha! If my sister were alive, who is this woman? Who is this woman? Hey! Ụzọ ti elu ukwu ọwa. Ụzọ ti elu ukwu ọwa. Hey! Anyway, don't worry. You see this problem, this particular one, she is not going to escape it. Never. She is not going to escape it. But don't worry, just go back and tell your brothers that I'll be there tomorrow. This evening. If I don't come there this evening, I'll be there tomorrow morning.
Okay, sir.
Yeah? I'll come to see them.
Uncle, do you know they've been coming to my brother's house with all sorts of charms? Cats, python, different animals. That woman is a witch.
Anyway, don't worry. Talk about witchcraft. Don't worry. Yeah? He who holds that which belongs to a child up with his hands. Time shall come when the hands will begin to shake out of fatigue. And then the hands will eventually come down. And the child will collect that which belongs to him with smiles and happiness. Don't worry. Just tell your brothers, to whom the crown belongs, the crown must go to. Relax. Don't worry about this. I get labor. Hey.
What happened?
None of you should be seen in this palace. None of you. What are you doing here? What are you people doing here? Oh, you people think I am dead so that you will come here and throw away my son. It will not work. You see this palace? This palace belongs to me and my son. There is nothing to talk about. Nothing, you old fools. Get up and leave this palace.
Stop talking rubbish, woman. Who told you that this palace belongs to you and your borrowed son? You better tell him where you picked him from so that he will go and look for his people before it's too late. This palace belongs to my father. And no one has any right. This place.
Cut him. Which palace belongs to you?
I don't have time for you two bastards. I am your king, and it will remain so. Failure to bow to me, I will decapitate both of you. As for your late brother, he will never be buried anywhere near this palace.
Don't talk to him like that. Don't you have respect? He has royal blood, but you don't. I told you earlier that once they are back in this community, yours is gone. Agwamgagwa, you are not our son. Period.
My friend, shut up. Shut up. Yeah. Look at you.
You heard him loud and clear. This regalia will not save you.
At all.
We shall make sure you pay dearly for desecrating the throne of our fathers. Don't worry.
Look at him. Shut up. Sebapo. Leave my palace.
Lolo Agonwa. Jiriyanwayo. Slow down. Look, when are you going to stop all these things that you are doing? Is it when you go into the grave?
You're the one that will go into the grave, not me.
Now listen. We the elders in council, Ndichie, are here to inform you that when the date is fixed, the heir to the throne of Akawa land will be buried here in this palace. And there is nothing neither you nor this overgrown baby that have proven himself to be a total Tofiakwa can do about it.
I don't have much to say. Except to tell you that you are a bastard and you are a fool.
Fools! Get out of my palace! My friends, seriously, look at them. Look at fools.
When the evil is on the throne. When the evil people are on the throne. When the evil is
Ugomma, there is something I would like to discuss with you. But I would like you to keep it as secret.
Secret? Okay, what is it?
See, there is every tendency that the king is not Agrike's biological son.
Please, Chidiogo, please. I don't want to be part of this discussion. Please. Many things are happening in this palace. Many things are happening. The fights are too many. I do not know the king. Neither do I know when he was born. So I am only here to work and get paid. Please, I will advise you to just keep quiet and keep watching what is happening. Because this conversation, it is way above us. Please, Biko.
This is not what I had wanted to discuss with you. But since you are sounding this way, I will cut it off.
Better, please. Cut it and keep it to yourself. I don't want to, in fact, don't put me into trouble. Biko, please, I beg you in God's name.
I'll be in the kitchen.
Better, just go before you put me into trouble.
Called me.
I want to ask you something. As the son of the land, how will you feel if you find out that the king is not from this kingdom?
I won't feel happy now. But I have asked my father severally and he said no one has proved it. But it keeps causing problems to the extent I almost got blind. But I would love to see the end of it.
Be a man.
Be a man.
Soon, I'll be going to Uzondo's house. But I will tell you something when I'm back.
Uzondo. The fighter. How?
Hold on first. I hope I can trust you.
I hope you're not trying to bring problem to me because we've had a lot of problem in this palace already. Hope you're not trying to hard to eat.
Can I trust you?
Sure, okay.
Let me tell you the truth. I will not soil my hands because of the position of the Igwe. I am not contesting for that position, neither is any of my children. The stool of this kingdom is domiciled in a particular family. It is left for them to either take it or leave it.
From these your reasons, are you telling us now to leave the palace for Agonwa and that boy just like that?
No, that is not what I'm saying. The real royal blood are back. Of course, you heard me say that at the palace the other day, and that is where it will end. I will not do more than using this my mouth to say more than that which is right. Yes.
It is not enough. Saying the truth is not enough. Listen to me. We are elders in this kingdom. And as council of elders, we are the ones that we help them to secure back that palace anyhow we can. They are young men. They don't know more than us. See, listen. You see that Igwe's son, Ugabata, that just died. Yes. We must bury his body in this palace. We should not wait until we are called. We must take over our kingdom, our throne. Eh?
Of course.
Thank you.
I am ready to do anything.
Yes.
But stepping my feet into a place that will cause me harm is something I will not do. Oh yes, let those who are affected do so. Oh yes. Anyways, anytime I am needed, call on me.
Okay.
Let me be on my way.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. You.
Mba. Whatever is his reasons, it is not okay with me at all. Look, even if it will take us to cross 7 seas, 7 mountains, to flush that woman out of that palace, we shall do it. Okay, Nezi? Look, the kingdom is waiting to see our actions. That man is talking rubbish. He's talking total rubbish.
Same thing I told him not quite long. His beliefs and whatever should be kept in his own band.
Oh.
The authority of the entire kingdom has been placed on us.
Oh.
And we must stop being cowards.
That is it.
Just because Ono was assassinated and everybody just flew away. Very disgraceful. Did you see me run?
It's your kaka on that. Let me explain. You know, it's only a tree that heard that it will be cut down. Still stands even when the Doma man is coming to cut it down. I don't blame anybody on that. At all. Are you not aware that I had to run as far as Ugwausa?
Ugwausa?
Ugwausa! No, this is not a laughing matter. To my daughter's house. Even when I heard that I knew that those book boys could hurt me, they could attack me, I prefer to stay there. Okay, wait, water.
Hey. I understand. But we have to buckle up and do the needful. Listen, Ugabata will be buried soon. And we shouldn't wait until Uzondo and Ikeka will push us on that. Let's fix a meeting. Yes. I will communicate with all of you.
Wow. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you? Fine. The prince, are they around?
Yes, they're inside.
Okay, please tell them that. Or former. You know whose son is here to see them.
Okay. You will have to wait here. Let me go and inform them. Wait for me here. Let me inform them.
Alright, please. Inform them.
Sir, somebody is at the gate. He said his name is Informer. He wants to see you.
Oh, let the person in.
Alright, sir.
My friend. My friend. It's been a long time we saw each other last.
Exactly.
So I started to come around and see you. The trouble we are facing in this community has touched all of us. We all have felt the impact. I lost my father, Diono, to this. And your mother suffered and died. Your father made a mistake by getting married to a woman who is not from Akama Kingdom. This same woman went on to adopt a child who is now sitting on the throne. We all know the story. But I am here as a full-fledged son of the soil, ready to avenge my father. I am ready to revenge. I'm here to join you both, to take back what belongs to us.
Chamaka, my sister, has told us everything, and we believed you. Yes, we believe you. A lion does not bet a goat. A lion bets a lion. Your father was a lion. That was why he went to London, United Kingdom, to go inquire about the birth of Lolo's son. Lolo came home and they told everybody that she had her son in the United Kingdom, while it was all a lie. Your father inquired. He went to that hospital, and there was nothing like that. Lolo was not at that hospital, and the child was not birthed there. In fact, that your father's visit was the genesis of his death. We all know how he was assassinated. We all know the story.
My prince, I need you both to understand something. Every bit of evidence, every document my father returned with are now in my possession. I have them all. And I will soon go to that palace to meet that woman, look her eyeball to eyeball, to tell her that I am now a grown man. I must revenge my father's death. Nothing can stop me.
Ikakwaraka. Ikakwaraka. Because the woman you're talking about is a night witch. She has tried me before, even my brother. She has done so many things in this house. To avenge your father's death is not just a method. It's not just by mouth, it's not by a jojo. You have to be prepared. You have to be strong.
Hey! Ego ada atụkwa n'afọ wee buru ụzọ. Onye nna ya zuru oshi na-eji ọkpa agbawa ụzọ. Maka na ego ada atụ afọ wee buru ụzọ. Akwado m akwado. Mbekwa ike na-akpọ gị ịza. It is time. It is time to show yourself. Mbekwa ike. Mbekwa ike. Mbekwa ike. Mbekwa odo. Akpọ gị ịza. I call and you answer. My brothers, I told you I am prepared. I am indeed my father's son. I need you both to understand something. This fight is a collective fight. It's a collective battle. We have to go there and take back what belongs to us. I am not afraid. I am ready. And I came here knowing fully well that you both are ready. I must avenge my father's death. Lest I forget, the plan with the maiden and the palace. That plan should be handled with utmost carefulness. You should be very careful with it.
By the way, how did you know what we discussed with the maid?
My prince, I see things covered under the mortar. And I'm afunife, na afunansuso. Mbekwike is with me. I am indeed my father's son. I need you to know that. Akwado mo for ma. If I couldn't do it, but I need you to know this. We are going to take it back. We are. Abrokwam dibia. Mana akwado mo for ma. Nna m musiri m ike. Mbekwike. It's time to return. But since I don't know where inch. Mbekwodogu. Mbekwodogu. Ah! Mbekwu. We are together.
Olugo, wekele mwaji aba. Olugo, mwajo mwaji aba. Olugo, wekele mwaji aba. Olugo, mwajo mwaji aba. Onye chi mmadụ n'ala, o jikwa onwe ya. Onye chi nwatakịrị n'ala, onwe ya ka ọ na-ata afụfụ. Onye chi mmadụ ya.
You both conspired and killed my father, you know. What were you thinking? That a day like this would not come? When you murdered a man who has a family, out of your selfishness. What have you achieved? Have you been able to silence the people from the fact that this man on this throne is a borrowed blood? You can only hide the truth, but you can't kill it.
Then you will die just like your father, you little scallywag. Oh, so you think you have grown? Eh? You have not grown. You are yet to grow.
Agongwa. Who do you think you are? Everything you've done, all the atrocities you've done in this community, will come back to you. And for the men you sent to murder my father, I've personally picked them one after the other. I know you know that, you wicked woman. No, don't hide from it. And you're going to meet the same fate, I promise you. You will die the same way.
So you are the son of that fool, Ono.
And you are the most foolish fool I have ever seen in my life. You are seated there instead of you going to look for your mad mother. You are so comfortable on that throne which doesn't belong to you. You are listening to this woman who adopted you, placed you on where you don't belong. Better go and look for your mother. That is the best thing you can do for yourself. And I am not going to spare any of you when the war starts. It's going to be a war of missiles, I promise you. Mbekuike, listen. The best thing for both of you is to pack all your belongings and run as fast and as far as your legs can carry you. There will be no hole deep enough to hide you from what is coming.
So this is the best you can do. This little tortoise. You can't even conjure and bring out a big animal. This is the little thing you want to scare me with. Obelemba, one of the slowest creatures in the world. Listen to me. See this your tortoise? I will eat this tortoise and eat you alive. Guards! Guards! Move this bastard out of my sight.
As low as the tortoise is, it is going to eat you up slowly.
What are you doing? I said move him.
I will be back.
Okay.
Don't forget to run. Keep running.
When the evil is on the throne, when the evil people are on the throne, when the evil is on the throne, Anagine fe buop mado, Nakanadi fanobara, Fanagine fe mechalaluo, Nakanadi fanobara, Makanadi fanobara, who will fight them for me? My heart is bleeding all the time. They took my position. They took what belonged to me. I have no strength to fight them. I have no way.
What is even happening in this palace again? Will all this problem ever come to an end? I know it's this one that came here with tortoise again. People should just try and resolve all these problems, oh. I can't come and die for anything, oh. I'm not part of it. I'm not part of the royal family. There's no royal blood in my vein. I can't die for what is not my own concern.
Who dey find? Wetin dey happen? Who you be? See as you just rush enter my compound like that. Wetin dey happen? Who you be?
Sorry, please. I want to see Chiamaka.
You want to see Chiamaka?
Yes.
Who are you to Chiamaka?
Okay, my name is Chidiogu. Just tell her that I'm here to see her.
Stay here, oh. Don't move an inch. Stay here. I'm coming. Stay here.
No problem.
I know trust you. What did that happen? Why you want to see Chiamaka? See, as you just open gate, enter inside the minute, you can't tell me say make I go see Chiamaka. So you plan am. Who are you? This one where you wear white shoe, can't cover your face. Okay, so they send you, make you come bump here. You know, Oh yeah, come on.
Wait, please. I want to see Chiamaka now. It's very urgent, please. Help me call her. Tell her that I'm here to see her. It's very urgent, please. Please go and call her for me.
Waiting be that your name again.
Chidiogu.
Stay there, I'm coming.
Please be fast. Thank you. Wow. You're welcome once more. No, feel free. Let me go get my brothers. Alright.
How are you?
Good afternoon, sis.
You're welcome. We called you because all of us are one. This is one family. So the reason we called you is because we want to salvage the remaining image of this our great kingdom. And before we did that, we investigated. And we found out that you are the closest person to Lolo. And you are also her maid. You work with her, so you know so much about her. Is that not so?
It's true, sir.
Thank you. As someone living in this kingdom, you know what is going on. You have seen the katakata that the Lolo has been causing at the palace. Everyday trouble. 1 week, one trouble. You have seen the number of people that have died because of the torso at the palace. You have seen the nonsense that has been happening. This same woman went and brought, in fact, an adopted child to be our king. And you see the effect of it. You see what is happening. I'm sure you are aware of all these things.
Sir, I know everything. I'm from this kingdom. Even though I'm a young lady, I know some of the stories. Chiamaka is my very good friend in school. When she called, I told her that I'm going to come. So, that's all.
So what did she tell you?
She said, since I'm closer to the Lolo, the only person in charge of her local medicine, because there is this serious sickness that is disturbing her, ulcer. And I am the only person that normally gets her the herbs. So she said I need to speak with her brothers.
Well, that's good. It's good that you're from Akawa community. And if you want the community to move forward, I think you have to participate in it. You have to contribute your own quota. And the only way you can do this and achieve this is by accepting the offer which we are going to give you. And we'll pay you 20 million just for you to drop something inside that tea that you're talking about, the local medicine. Just drop it for her to drink. That's all.
Sir, if she dies, they will hold me responsible. I am the only person that has access to her room.
If she is still alive and the community continues to suffer, would that be better? Do you know that we will no longer get the dividends of democracy that we've been getting in this community? We no longer get them. The government does not pay us any longer because of the nonsense happening at the palace. Are you aware? Like I mentioned before, are you aware of the number of people that have died because of this woman? So, I mean, if you, like he said, 20 million, now we'll give you 10 million. You go and do the job. Once you satisfy that the job is done, they give you the second 10 million. And so, okay, imagine when you have the true son of the soil, Wadiala, as the king of this community. You and your children, won't you be happy? Won't you be happy? You want to choose here today, 1 year will serve.
There's nothing to worry about. Just drop it inside the local medicine that she drinks. That's all.
Hi, saya Goria, Ola, Nudu.
Once we take over the palace, you shall also be rewarded. Apart from the monetary promises from my brother, just carry it out and see how we transform this community. I'll think about it. If it's okay by me, I will let you know. It's not all about the money. In as much as that woman is an evil woman, she should be left to die on her own. Ha! No, more lives will be lost if she lives. Chiamaka, are you aware that Lola Gonwa is a living witch? See, she might know all these our plans. She won't know anything. You are just being scared for nothing. Try it first. Let's see now. Just think the something. It's really not a big deal. Because please.
There is nothing to worry about. Since we, the Ndichies, have all agreed to come and see you, so we can make peace. Makonoke yadia no. Ewu amwano bole. Keep your mother out of this issue and be a man. A king should have the mind of his own.
Of course I have a mind of my own. How dare you say such nonsense before me? Say it again. Just one more time. I'll have you thrown out of my palace and punished. Never again. Nobody utters such nonsense before me and goes scot-free. Nobody.
Will you keep quiet? How dare you speak to we elders in such a manner? Don't you have respect? We are the elders of this kingdom. As far as we are concerned, no one crowned you.
At all.
Is it because we kept you quiet? Now listen, small boy. Your brother's body is still lying there at the mortuary until he is given a proper burial. Before we can even consider crowning you, you have to respect us so that we can support you. And don't sit there and be talking to us the way you like. Nonsense.
You, this man, I see you have no respect for royalty. Believe me, I will shock you. Can you hear me? I will shock you. You think you are part of my cabinet? You all think you are members of my cabinet? I will shock all of you. You see this throne that I am sitting on? Nobody can take it from me. No matter how you scheme, no matter how jealous you get, nobody can take what rightfully belongs to me. As for Ugo Abata, he will not be buried here. He will be buried somewhere, maybe in his mother's place, wherever, but certainly not here. I am done with this meeting. All of you get out of my palace.
You don't discharge a traditional red cap chief. How? Just like your voice.
I'm done with all of you. Get out of my palace.
We know what to do.
You can hear. Is on the throne. When the evil people are on the throne. When the evil is on the throne,
Son, you are the son of your father. I raised you to be strong and not to fear any woman. As a king, you must be in charge. If you allow all these old men, they will pull you down.
Mother, do I look like a man that can be pulled down? Nobody can pull me down, mortal or spirit. I know exactly what I'm doing, Mother. Nobody can trample on my rights. I watch those old men. I watch them like a hawk. I know exactly what they are planning, and I know what to do. I intend to form a new council of elders. Yes. Those old men, I can see they are hobnobbing with my brothers to pull me down.
Brothers? Who are your brothers?
Ozondo and Ikeka.
Who told you they are your brothers? Your father is not their biological father. The king married their mother due to pressure from the king's mother. And immediately the woman entered. She started doing her she opened her leg. Every Dick, Tom and Harry. That was how she got those children. They are not your brothers. That is the more reason you should not allow the body of Ugo Abata to enter this palace or to be buried anywhere near this palace. Okay, Nanuya? They're not your brothers, so don't call them brothers.
Noted, Mother. It will never happen.
Your Majesty, you are coming out from my room. For what?
Yes, Your Majesty. Nothing. I just wanted to check if you have finished eating the food so I can remove the plate.
I have not. Get me a cup so that I can take my medicine before eating.
Okay, Your Majesty.
think this woman is not the right thing for me. If I get this promise of 20 million, what will it profit me? Because I am a killer. It's very true that this Lolo is a bad woman and has been holding this community hostage. But will it be the enough reason for me to allow her drink that poison? Will the gods forgive me? Do I tell her to pour away the herbs? What do I do?
I have said it before, and will say it again. If there is anything I can do to chase these people out of that palace, I can do it. But having anything to do with charms, count me out. After all, you all heard me say it at the palace that that boy is not our son. All evidence has proven it.
So what do we do?
What if we arrange the youths to send them away from the palace? Yes. The youths of Akawa can confidently do this, even with our masquerades.
We don't need demonstration in the issue of the palace. We don't need anything like that. Do you want further problem in the community? See, the only place we can need such a thing like masquerade and all this is during Ugabata's burial. If we push the woman and the son and they disagree with us, we invite the villagers. Because the king married Ugabata's mother from Akawa here. You understand what I'm saying? That is what.
Thank you.
I have told you that nothing will happen to the king and the throne. You think you can cross the 7th sea and come here to do anything you wish? I will bend your neck. This is Mirima speaking. The eagle from above. Now, leave this palace at once.
So you're the evil one blocking my way from taking over my father's heritage. I don't know who you are with your evil powers, but I will come for you, power for power, and I will liberate this palace from your evil deeds. You squatting bitch, standing in my father's palace, defending evil.
I will come for you.
Chamaka, have you been able to speak with that maid to know if she actually carried out that assignment?
Yes, I did. She said she did everything, but she does not know why it's not effective. Truly, brother, that woman is not a human being. And as long as she is alive, we will not be able to get what we want.
Let me tell you, see that woman? That woman is a monster in a human form. Oh, yes. In fact, I am advising all of you to calm down. She must die. You know, I don't like bragging or shouting about it, but I know that they are number. Are you aware that there are plenty evil shrines stationed in various parts of that, in fact, in various corners of that palace? Do you know? Even idea. But regardless, we shall overcome. I would like to see that Chidiogo.
Okay, please. I will invite her.
Borrow me.
Okay.
Borrow me.
Yes, come in.
Your Majesty, here is your food.
Chidiogo. Chidiogo, I have always told you to serve me with the royal tray. What is it that you will just carry? Something wrong with you?
No, ma'am.
And you will bring my food. You will not come with the glasses for my herbs. Now you will go back again to go and bring the glass. Eh? And then you will still go and get me more herbs because this one is almost finished.
Your Majesty, you have almost finished drinking this. Are you getting better, ma?
Chidiogo,
Your Majesty.
I want you to know that nobody born of a woman can kill what is inside me. This one is even sweeter. I don't know why it's very, very, very sweet. My dear, go and get me the glass. Let me take it before I eat my food. Chidiogo, fast.
She said the herb is sweeter. Seems like she has ndabui or anti-poison. How could she be telling me that nobody born of a woman can hurt her? They said she's a witch, and I am seeing it with my eyes. How can she still be agile after drinking that thing?
There is absolutely something wrong with that woman. I'm glad you all fled. And now you are back to take that which belongs to you. And you must get it. But we must tread with caution. We have to. Whatever you think you have that makes you stronger, please, you have to halt it for now. I know all the Dibias the woman has been bringing to the palace. But the most dangerous, in fact the major one, is Minima. If that one is not destroyed, all our efforts are bound to end in futility. Nothing more.
You're right. You are very right. She goes with a lot of things. She disrupted me yesterday at the palace. Yes. Before you could do anything, she's already there. Yes.
We're trying our best to.
Akwadokwara too? Yes. Akwadoro the way is Ichene Ekwado. Well, what will happen is I will find out where that Minima is living. Then we'll go and destroy it. After that, we can now move on with the fight. Listen, I am from your mother's clan. I will never deceive you. Let us take it easy. Yeah? Cheers.
Please help me call Chiamaka.
Chiamaka again?
Yes.
You have been here before, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let me call her. Wait.
It's not a problem. They know everything. And that is why they sent for you. Why are you scared?
It will look as if I agreed to do something and I did not carry it out.
Come and explain to them. They might have other options.
Chiamaka, when we are in school, you have not showed like someone who has a strong heart like this. What changed? Imagine you supporting to kill this woman.
You will never understand. This woman rubbished my mother. She made sure we left the palace. And also made my mother to swear before the king. I was very little, but I saw the hatred. And my mother died because of it. How do you expect me to forgive such a person? She adopted someone we don't know, and that person is sitting as a king in this kingdom. Chidiogo, please, I don't want to talk about this. Let's go in and see my brother. Please, let's go. Welcome. Thank you. Have a seat. Okay. Let me go and call my brothers.
Chiamaka, wait. Among these your brothers, who is the senior?
Ikeka, then Uzondu, and me. Why are you asking?
Nothing. I just want to know who I will bow for as an incoming king if they succeed.
You're not serious. I'll be right back.
Alright.
We're preparing for her obituary. Why did you throw the thing away?
Sir, that woman is not a human being at all. I poured all the stuff in her house. I was even expecting a shout at the first day. Not until I find out that she has almost finished the whole medicine. And nothing happens. Even me, I was even shocked.
I knew it. I knew it's not going to be easy. A woman that have all the charms to be able to convince the king. And even convince the eye of the gods to testify against my mother upon my mother's tears. Well, she has it all. But we are not going to let her go free.
What do we do? It's like we're losing out too. It's like that woman has superior powers than us. Well, because as it is now, that woman hasn't that we. That woman has everything. In fact, that woman has been into this for many years. See, we need to give her, we need to put that poison in her tea or whatever. Another second time.
Since she didn't get her herbal medicine, she will eat the food and even leave the plates. Still challenge you. Yes. Of course. Well, anyway, my sister, you did so well. Thank you so much. Send your account number to my sister. I will give you some money. But don't forget, keep your mouth shut.
I will, sir. Thank you so much. All right.
Wow.
Neat. Yeah, hello, Afoma. Please, I need to see you immediately. Yeah, yes. Okay. Yes, alright, okay, fine.
Ne, don't worry. You tried your best. In as much as it didn't work out, my brother will still give you something.
There's no problem. My own is that if there is any way they should be flushed out, you have my support. Instead of holding this community hostage. You know why? I have to be on my way. If there is any information, I'll keep you updated.
I trust you. Hey, oh God, baby. Let me see your phone.
All right. What happened? Why is everybody silent? You don't want to talk to me?
Stop it! Go inside and see the Majesty. Hey! Don't dare come close to me. Go inside and see him.
When the evil is on the throne, when the
Move it.
people are on the throne, when the evil is on the throne, Anagide fe buopumado, Anagide fe mechalaluo, Makanoni who will fight them for me? My heart is bleeding all the time.
Chidok, so you dare try to poison me? The queen of Akawa kingdom? Me? How dare you? How dare you dine with the enemies of this kingdom to poison me?
Your Majesty, I did not do that. How can I poison you?
You did not do that. You did not do that. No problem. Ugomma! Ugomma! Come here, fast!
Your Majesty, please, I didn't do that, please.
Ugomma, go to my room, near my bed. Bring that white gallon where my herb is. Bring it and bring a glass.
Yes, Your Majesty, please, I didn't do that, please. Sir, I didn't do that.
I employed you. I made you my chief mate. Yet you want to kill me. I will make sure you die today.
Your Majesty, please. I'm innocent. I did not do it. Believe me.
You didn't do that. No problem. Since you want me dead, you will die. I will make sure you die today.
I'm innocent, please.
How much were you paid? How much? Bring it. Wait, glass. Why not send it up? Where? Take it. Drink it if you're innocent. Drink it now.
Your Majesty, I do not have stomach ulcer. There's nothing I can drink this for. Please, believe me. I'm being accused wrongly here.
Oh, so it's true. Will you shut up? Shut up! Now I know it's true. Someone bought you over to poison my mother. How dare you? How dare you try such a thing? Your family members will see you no more. Get me the guards now. Call
Get
them.
the guards fast.
When the evil is on the throne, when the evil people are on the throne, when the evil is on
Your Majesty, you sent for us.
My king.
Take this girl. Lock her up in the cell. Deepest part of the cell where she will not be breathing properly. Lock her up there. No food, no water. If she wants to die, let her die. She's granted.
Catch her! Don't allow her to leave. Catch her! Get her! Where is that girl? Hey! Ikenna, come here. Go to her father's house. Search for her and drag her to this palace. That girl is red flag for this palace. Bring her here at once. Fast!
Listen, she must be uprooted like a done cassava in the farm. She's a lord in the evil kingdom. That girl tried. I have gone to make some verifications and I was told that that woman is beyond any man's destruction. She has to be uprooted. If not, the king remains.
See, I heard the king is planning on instituting a new council of elders. Even with the way he talks to the council of elders, he shouts at them and talks to them anyhow. See, one thing I need you to understand is they can never go scot-free. And for the mother, she masterminded the killing of my father, you know. And I need to let her know that it is my time. I will show her. She can't just play. How now? Why would they do such? Over our dead body will such a thing happen?
What will you do? This woman has Ndabui. Imagine somebody that ate poison and still walks around smiling. See, there is one person behind her that's giving her so much strength, and her name is Mrima. That Mrima is the issue. Do you understand me? So we have to find a way and uproot her first.
Ndabui or not, one thing that is sure is that we are going to pick them one after the other. The king won't even know we are coming. Oga also. He will run. Obasi also. As for the law, I already told you. Leave her for me. She is my responsibility. Give it a... What is
it? Who's after you? What is it?
They're after my life. As soon as I left here and got to the palace, the queen accused me of poisoning her herbal medicine. The king ordered the guards to tie me and hold me. I escaped.
You have shown so much bravery. Eh? Don't worry, you're home. You're home. I mean, stay with us here.
I'm scared. They might go after my mother. She's the one that brought me to serve in the palace.
Listen, your mother did not commit anything, okay? Stay with us. Chiamaka went out. I sent her on errand. She will soon be back. Relax here. See, whatever they are paying you at that palace, we will double it out to pay you more. You understand me? So there's nothing to worry about, okay?
No problem, sir.
It's okay. Just go and sit down.
No problem. No problem, sir.
Don't worry. Nobody will see you again. Well, you are quite a brave young woman. I have not been sleeping well at all. I weep day and night. I left my family. I left my business. We need to do something before this woman and her son finishes us. I made a promise on my father's grave, and that I must keep. We have to find a way. We have to liberate our people from these people. We have a lot to do. And we can't leave it for just these elders to do. They can't. Look at the forces in play here. Your brother Ugabata would have been the king if he had survived. And now he's still in the mortuary. We need to get him out and bury him in the palace, where he belongs.
You are the true son of Ono. You speak with the same authority as your father. You know who we know is an upright man. Just because he said that the man is not from the king's groin, for that he will not be the king. They decided to kill him so that the adopted son will become the king. That is it.
People, both of you have spoken well. But we need to do something. We need to seal that minimal woman. We need to expunge her existence from this planet Earth and from the spiritual world. But how do we do that?
Your Majesty, see, amongst all the elders and indigenous in this community, I was the only one who supported your ascension to this throne. As for those kids, those who are troubling you see, I am from their mother's clan. So they are all in my palms. There is no way they cannot trust me. Whatever is their plans, I shall always expose them to you. Okay, let me start from there.
What do you want? Go straight to the point.
The title of Ono, Your Majesty. With this title, I can stand boldly and fight all those who are opposed to your throne. Yes! I will fight them and reduce them to nothing. Yeah? In fact, whoever says you will not be on this throne shall leave the dust. Anyone who says your Majesty shall not live, the person will die first. Just give me the Ono title. That is all.
You want to be Ono?
Yes! Why not?
That's not an office that will be given out freely just like that. You need to do a few secret things for me. Things that will convince me that you are truly on my side. Then I can consider you.
So what am I doing here? Just give the word and it is established. Say it and I will carry it out. Your Majesty, your word is my command.
My enemies, those who have sworn that I will not sit here, eliminate them. Once you do that, you will get the title you seek. And not just that, I will give you plenty of money.
Majesty, consider it done. Yes, I shall do your biddings and even more. Yes. After all, when their mother was alive and was getting married to the king, nobody gave me even a kobo for my snuff. Nobody gave me a father. I will deal with them.
Chamaka, they have arrested my mother and my younger sister. What should I do?
Calm down. It's okay, stop crying. Let's wait for my brothers to come first. Something can be done about that. Huh?
What do you think that can be done? Unless I surrender myself to them. And that means my life. It means my death. The king and his mother can eat human flesh. Chamaka, I'm worried. I don't know what to do now.
It's okay. I'll tell my brothers to send for the village town crier. They will announce to the community that the king and the queen arrested your family members. And if everyone is aware of it, that means the problem is half solved. It's okay. Stop crying. You need to go to your house and bring some of your clothes here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. The king and the queen will do nothing to you, okay? It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay.
So that is the way it is, you know. Strategy and method, you achieve your goals.
That's right. It won't be like the Iran versus USA war.
That is the way it is. Is it? Chidiogo, what are you doing here?
I came to see my friend, their younger sister.
So, you no longer work in the palace?
I do. I will soon go back.
Okay.
How did you know she was in the palace?
You should understand that. Please, don't worry. How can a woman open place for a titled man? No, it's not done. Thank you very much for this.
Thank you.
Yes. Like I was saying, every one of them that works in the palace are known to me. Okay, I'm from this community, and there is nothing hidden from me. Yes.
But Uncle, don't be annoyed. She was not working at the palace when my father, the late Iwe, was still alive and the king. And that time he used to frequent the palace, because of your relationship with my dad. Hey, Uncle, are you sure you have not been sneaking in to go and see Lolo and her adopted child at the palace?
Hey, why would you even say a thing like that about me? Don't you trust me anymore? Remember, I'm from your mother's clan. I mean, how can I lie to you or deceive you? Yeah? Let me tell you something. Ever since that woman and her useless son took over the crown, no. What am I going to do? What? For what? Please, you don't even go there. Don't even go there. Please. Look, I like this drink. They call it piqueta. Piqueta. Wow. Malot.
Yeah, you like it. It's a good one.
Yeah?
You enjoy it. Yeah, it's a good wine.
Wow. This is piqueta. Yeah. Let me. Woo.
It's a good one. You enjoy
Libya
it.
Roma.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, eh? Whoa! This is good. I love this.
Yeah, the drink is good.
Wow.
You enjoy it.
This is beautiful.
Enjoy it. It's foreign drink.
Foreign drink?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
You enjoy it.
Oh, you boy.
Oh.
So let's drink up, eh?
Yeah, sure.
Let's. Wow.
Cheers.
Cheers, yeah. Yes. Wow. This is beautiful. I love this drink.
Cheers.
Let's drink. Let's drink.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we've been drinking it now. It's our own. Drink. Just enjoy. Even the whole bottle, you can take it.
Of course, you can drink. Drink. Enjoy your drink.
So yes.
But let's drink now.
That's what we drink almost every
You
time.
drink it every time?
Yes. It's your first time. Test it. You enjoy the drink.
Is that so?
If you need more, we'll just give you some more.
Enjoy your drink. You don't have any. Even if you want, you can take this one home. You know.
The bottle?
Mm-hmm.
No, you don't need that now.
You enjoy the drink.
It doesn't matter. You brought the drink for me, so let's drink. At least you take some sip. I will take a sip.
Check the bottle. You know, it's a strong wine from Spain.
We have more. If you want more, you can even give you one carton.
Yeah, you can have it.
I can have it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in that case, I will go with the bottle.
Yes.
So that when I get to my house, I will relax and enjoy
You
myself.
enjoy it. Let me pour this one for you too.
No, you can drink. Why don't you drink?
No, you enjoy it. We have many here now. That's what I'm saying. I'll pour here for you so that you enjoy it.
Yeah. Can even add this.
Yeah, you enjoy it.
It's a good wine.
Yeah, very good.
All the way from Spain.
Yes, Spain. Spanish wine.
Spanish wine, yeah. If you need more, maybe walk out.
No, I will go to my house and enjoy it.
Yeah, as relax. Cool evening like this. Just
It's a very good drink.
enjoy.
And drink it with Oba.
It's usually taken with this kind of glass cup. I don't know if you have it at home. You can also take it.
It's okay. I'll be on my way.
Alright.
I'll be on my way. I will see you guys later.
Alright, so there's
no problem.
So later.
Alright. Enjoy yourself. If you taste it and you love it, you come for more. We'll have it here.
Okay, well, I'll be going.
I
will see you.
Okay. Why are you taking your bag to?
But I don't know. She came in and started packing her clothes. That she's leaving for her aunt's place. I asked her why. She said Uncle Kwafa will tell the king that she's here.
Yes. He normally comes to the palace. And most times, I heard him demanding to be crowned the Onowu. He's a friend to the king. As I saw him, the king will send his guards to come and arrest me. So, I need to go.
He goes to the palace to meet the king and the mother.
Yes, sir.
I see. And the girls that we didn't expose much.
Exactly.
Yes. Was it the reason he poisoned the drink we gave him?
But I did what?
Yes, he did it. I saw him. But it's okay, no problem. Just drop your bag. Nothing will happen. Nobody from that palace will do anything stupid here. Okay? Drop your things. It's okay. It's okay. I saw the tank cry. I'm asking the takeaway of your mother. Oh, no problem. Just go inside and drop your things.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Is that the reason? I remember, I told him that he has been sneaking into the palace, to see the Lola and the adopted son. And he denied.
Don't panic. Sit down.
Agabike.
Mom. Oba keja chife dali mmili. Ofa kije da one. Ana bazu zumba. Asa ba di mije. Pe ni femeleme. Oh! Wali nwe egu na okuji do fo na aka ogbuwa ago. Femeleme. Gentlemen, once again you are welcome. Your form has told me a lot about Akawa Kingdom. And as I inquire from the gods, they say that the person sitting on the throne of Akawa Kingdom is not a royal blood. He's not even a blood from Akawa Kingdom. So, all that I've been saying is true. And I must tell you the truth here and now. To remove him from that seat is close to impossible. And to kill Lola, it's not possible. Until that woman called Mirima could normally come from the sea of Umeza is caged.
We have been consulting. As I speak to you, me, my brother, and sister, it's impossible to kill. Even a farmer, it's impossible to kill. We know you're a great Dibia. Or am I lying?
The idea of that poison, as I was shown in the spirit, was great. But because Lol has eaten a live cobra, that did not work. I can see war. Huge war in that palace. And you are the rightful son of the king. So, what is happening? What do you want me to do? Because Agaba has no time.
The great Agaba, please, how do we eliminate that entity called Mirima?
That should be my job. It will not take me anything to summon her here and warn her to desist from that palace.
Agaba, please. Agaba. We did not come here for you to warn her. Agaba, I know you. I know what you can do. We want you to take her off our way. She should be off. Give her in a memory.
You warn before you strike. And if she continues, I will strike her and turn her into cooking dust. Danu no loko nelu mbeja moto ikirigi ogo. O se sin so amunya bakwa no so. Dani moku no lugo oluo. Gini di? Mirima! Appear! Mirima, I summon you. I command you. Appear here, now! I summoned you here in Agaba's enclave to warn you. Desist from hovering around the palace of Agwike and remove all the charms you bury around the palace. You know that he is not a royal blood, and he is sitting on the throne where the original owners are still alive. Go and undo what you do now.
I was contracted for that job. Leaving them would be an offense.
I will not warn you again. I contacted Amoma Miri, your superior, before this invitation. You have 7 market days. 7 market days to vacate from that palace. Else, I will come to you with the fire of Agaba. Don't dare me. Stop supporting evil, Mirima. Stop. I'm not going to Nagesi. I'm not doing my okay. I'm about to be here. I can't make it. Oh, no more. Mama, Papa.
So I was a little girl of 8 years when my mother left the palace. Agua never gave her breathing space just because she did what she couldn't do. She gave birth to Ugabata, Ikeka, Uzondu, and me. And that got her angry. She accused my mother of sleeping with different men while the king was sick. And that was how she was chased out of the palace.
So, when exactly did she give birth to this king? Before your mother gave birth to Gabata, or when?
My mother said as soon as she heard she was pregnant, she started planning how to travel. Nobody knew she had plans of adoption. I am not against adoption. But why would she lie that she gave birth to a child? Because when she left the country, she was not even pregnant. I don't even understand.
No, wow. So, when your mother left the palace, did she live with all of you?
Yes, so. And she suffered. Hi. Imagine a queen suffering. My brothers were out and I was schooling. They were not even in the country. When Agua insisted that her fake son, her adopted son, should be the king. Ugabata, my brother, fought. He tried. He really tried. But he was afflicted with sickness and he died. Even Onowu was not spared because he was assassinated. And that made other elders to run for cover.
Oh. It's terrible. You know, my mother told me some of all these things, so. But...
She did?
Yes.
And she allowed you to work there. Other old workers are no longer there. They are gone. I just hope something will be done about this so that Agunwa and her fake king will be disgraced. I can't wait for that day to come.
I pray so. No, I'm really sorry for everything.
Lord, you see, I have tried my best to eliminate them, those boys, and I must succeed. Yeah? It is time for me to apply the sore foot poison. Elias Achuere or Ejule. To do the job. I must finish them. Maybe even.
You see, this is why I talk about you. I appreciate you. And who else will be on if not you? Hey, I love the role you played in the Ugabata case. If not for you, you see now, look at how calm the palace is. See how calm everywhere is. if not for those little fools that are parading themselves. But they will never smell the seat. Even when I'm gone, they won't.
You see, that's why I say the conferment of the title of Onowu on me should not be delayed any further. Because once I have that title, Onowu, I will use it to fight other elders. All of them. Lolo, you see, right now, nobody is supporting this palace in anything. None of them. You understand? That's why I have to be the Onowu today and tomorrow. In fact, I have already discussed this with the king, and he has given me his assurances. Once forget other things.
You know you have my support on that one. Nobody will take... In fact, you're not dragging it with anybody. You are the Onowu that we have. As for that girl that you saw in that house, don't worry. We will still bring her back. Do you know that girl was paid to poison me? I drank the poison to prove to her that no woman can harm me. As we speak, her mother and sister are in the palace cell.
Lolo, you see, talking about that, I would advise that we release them immediately. Yes. People are talking. The entire village is talking about it. Everybody in the community. Let us avoid unrest. We already have enough issues on our hands. Let us concentrate on keeping this throne. Please. We don't need other problems, to distract us from what we're concentrating to achieve. Please, have them released. Please.
Okay, I will discuss that with my son to find a way to effect their release.
Good. Hello. Let me run along.
Okay. Oh no, which you come.
Okay,
man.
Yeah.
Where are you getting the others?
They will
Yeah. Thank you so much. Oh no. Hey.
I heard the king discussing with Lolo that both of you should be sacked.
Rubbish. Because I've not sacked myself. How can the fake king ask us to go and pick Chidiogo from those guys that almost got me blind? If they see me in their house, I may come back here a crippled man.
Well, as for me, I should be leaving this palace very soon. For all of you. I think I need to start taking orders from a real king, not one whose paternity is in doubt.
Hold your mouth, oh. Hold your mouth, because if you speak the one that will put you into trouble, now you go suffer.
Nothing will happen.
Okay.
Nothing will happen, nothing.
Keep saying.
A lot has been going on. Nothing will happen. Imagine we almost got blind.
You didn't see
what
me
could
here.
be worse than
No,
that?
you didn't see. I'm out of here. Chinaza is out of here.
Start going.
Must we fold our hands and watch our kingdom die off? Must we look at our people and do nothing? All because of a woman? A woman our late king married out of our place. This woman is not from Akawa kingdom or the son she adopted. What is happening? Why are we not saying anything? We are quiet. We are too calm. Please don't tell me to be calm. My elders, I respect you. I respect all of you, but at this point I have to talk. Why are we not doing nothing? What is keeping us? You are the elders. Call our people. Let us march down to that palace, push them out and lock that place.
Former, we must not do so. Because that boy was crowned by the late eye of the king, who they gave bribe. And finally, the gods killed him. It will be a taboo to do such a thing.
Now, did you just say taboo?
Oh, yes.
Then what then is not a taboo? If we can allow an unknown blood sit on the throne of Akawa kingdom, what then is not a taboo? What is wrong with our people? Please, what is wrong with our people? We are too quiet. We are too calm for what is happening to us. What is wrong with our people? Let us make moves.
You are the titled men of this community. This kingdom needs you. When you speak, things happen. Let us ask questions. Let us ask questions, my elders. Ask questions.
We have young people like you and others that can easily help us in this community.
Yes.
Ugwabata fought and died. Your father, Nnage Dionowu, fought, and we saw how he ended.
Hi.
It is not that we are keeping quiet. We're not keeping quiet. But I am assuring you that we are on it.
Yes, you're on it.
And what even?
Yes. My son. We are aware. Very much aware. Our ears are on the ground to know what you and the Igwe's two sons have been doing to liberate this kingdom. I know. I was at Agaba Shrine yesterday over the same issue. And he told me a lot of things. We just want to thank you, Ainekenegi, for what you have done and what you continue to do in Abali. From the way things are going,
yes,
I know that we are going to win this.
Yes.
Surely we must win it.
Thank you.
If we need to win this, we have to make a move. My elders, please. Please. Your words are command. Command our people. Please.
We will. I like that boy. He behaves just like his father. The owner who does not care who you are. He says his mind. Same character. I like him.
Same thing with Igwe's other children. They're all good.
It's true.
Those boys are fighting tooth and nail to take over this too.
But you know, it's only when we succeed in removing the one in the palace. Then we can all sit down to know if it's the late Igwe that gave birth to the two of them.
You are right.
Including the girl child, though. Because I am very sure of Uguabata. But for them, I don't know. The bit that is me, I know it's the Igwe's wife that gave birth to them. But
hey, please, do not bring this kind of issue here. They are the Igwe's children. And you do not have any right to say such a thing about them. I know it might be a joke, but do not try this anymore.
Ha! Onesezi. Wow. Yeah. Kana bazi mumba.
Mbeku ike. Abaza kebo. When I call, you answer. It is time. I am calling on you now. It's time. It's time to answer me. I call on you. Mbekike, come. Mbekike. Odoku. Akogeza. Mbeku no. Nwayo. You know where you're going to. It's time to show yourself. It's time to show them. Mbekike. Go. Noche.
Hey! Mbapike! Hey! Ogenede! Ade go na eme. Eja na bisije. No, rinne. Ije kwe kogi. Afa ebu je I said it. You've never failed. I've never called that you failed to answer. Why would you tell me now? My people, it is done. No. Emenekiera. Ha! No, Chie. Our ancestors, you're welcome back. What a good news. She said she was unkillable, untouchable. Now, our forefathers has done their thing. Not in them. Ha! Daru. Ike Kawandem. Mbeko has gone and returned peacefully. Yeah, we must actualize our dreams. Let us now listen for the news. My brother, sure, definitely, we must regain that which is ours. We will.
How can she die just like that? Someone I spoke with last night and I personally served her food. What then killed her?
What is happening? How can the queen just die like that? Something is wrong somewhere.
They said the late Lolo is not the real mother of the king. Pressure everywhere. Who knows if they are the one that sent what killed her? Now, the king is alone. No mother, no father, no brother, no sister, no wife, no children.
How can he marry when he is facing all these problems? The ones he tried to marry, the elders will go and warn the parents and the kinsmen. I know how many he has seen, and even the ones he choked out for broths. But after hearing the news of how he came and became king, Fiam, Onyobuna Noso.
His backbone has been broken. I think he should make peace with all the elders and other king's family. He's not ruining anyone. And he's not a king to Akawa kingdom.
That one. Make peace. Can't you see the way pride is hanging on his shoulder? When he walks as if he owns a sword. I know by the time we all leave this palace, he's going to leave this country. He will run away. I know that once for sure.
So who will he now leave all the property of the king? All the investments of the late king, which Lolo seized. That is the issue. Make peace. You said no. Bury Ugabata. Isimba. Now where is all the ego and so on? Life is indeed what it is.
What happened to my mother?
I was warned to stay away from this palace. And I have taken everything I buried here that have been protecting you and the queen.
Why?
Because I have been told the truth by the gods.
What truth?
You are not the biological son to the king. And you have no right over the throne. The woman that adopted you lied that she gave birth to you. I'll advise you make peace with the community. Make peace with your brothers, because you are the next target. Find some men to bury the queen. Do not allow her body to be carried to the mortuary. If not, the community will make sure that she will not be buried in this palace anymore. Release the mother and daughter in the palace cell. The community will also come for you if you don't. They are ready. But once they see the mother and child, they will be calm. It's a period of negotiation.
Ichiokafo, come to the palace immediately.
Going? Where am I going? I'm leaving this palace for good now. Have any of you seen this kind of king's palace before? No in the elders meeting. No peace, no love in the community. A few days ago, I almost got blind. Ikena has gone. Chidi August's mother and sister are locked up in the palace cell. Trouble everywhere. See, it is better for me to leave. The queen is lying dead in her room. Before you know it now, the king will call me, Amobi! Come over here. Come and help me go and bury my mother. Please, I'm not ready for it at all. Let me leave. When the real king comes back to the palace, I'll come back and walk. But for now, I have to go to my father's house and relax before anything bad happens to me again. Please, I'm done. Thank you.
What are we still doing here? Let's go and pack our things and leave this place. Oh. I heard that the villagers are coming here because of Mama Chidiogo and the sister. Eh? Let's go and pack our things and leave here before we get hot.
See, calm down. Eh? We won't leave just like that.
Okay.
Yes, they have been paying us and leaving the palace just like that won't be okay. Yes, I know that the king is not the biological son of the queen. But would you blame a woman who married and never had a child? Yes, the queen did a lot of wrongs, but at least let's be humans. Eh? Please.
I look like animal, but let's be humans. Eh? Ugomma, all of a sudden you have just Ibugo a preacher. You are now a preacher, all of a sudden. I won't stay here. What am I doing here? The queen is dead, and very soon her body will start decaying. Since they hold the community hostage, nobody comes in as usual. Let us go. You know what? You can stay here. Marry the king. As for me, I am living here. I'm living here.
The king will eat and need someone for assistance. Please, let's not go at least for a few days. Please, I beg of you.
So I should stay?
Yes, please.
It's because of you. It's because of you. Because me, I'm tired of all this drama happening.
I know.
Where are Ikenna and Amobi?
Ikenna left few days ago and Amobi left this morning, Your Highness.
Without my consent.
Yes, Your Highness. They have all gone. And we both are also planning on leaving, Your Highness.
I see.
Your Highness, please, Your Highness, release Chidiogo's mother and her sister. Let them go home. The things we are hearing is not too good. And we are even scared of our lives. Please, Your Highness.
You have nothing to worry about. Okay? I'm still the king. Nothing will happen to both of you. Take this. Release the woman and her child.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Your Majesty, what am I hearing?
I can't believe the news has spread like that.
Even children are talking about it. The entire community, in fact, everybody's making merry. I don't understand. How can a community be celebrating the death of the queen of this kingdom? I've never seen this kind of thing before.
Simply means there's more trouble. Let's talk it. The queen needs to be buried immediately. Her body is still in her room. I got a local mortician to take care of the body. What do we do?
Your Majesty, see what I was saying? If you and the queen had listened to me earlier and conferred me with this Onowu title, this would not have been a problem. I would have used my powers as Onowu and ensured her burial smooth and simple, without any hassles. Now, where do we start? Going to see her people would be a waste of time. And of course, calling the council of elders and waiting for them to gather is another waste of time. Okay, Your Majesty, why don't we just buy a casket, bury her immediately, and then plan other things?
I disagree. She was a queen. Yes. Her husband, the king, married her traditionally. She must be respected. Yes, even in death. So I disagree. I say we inform her people, call her brothers, tell them, or we go to her father's place. But we must do the needful. Also, we need to get people to dig her grave. And we have to do all these things quickly. Else, if my brothers get here, I know them, they'll start making trouble. It might become difficult to bury her. Ugwabata is still in the mortuary.
Right, Your Majesty. In that case, let us start running around for these things. Upgrading that bookie, you can bring them to dig the grave immediately and then do the needful.
Wait. I will not go with you. My driver is not here. My driver is gone. All my boys are gone and the king cannot be seen driving. So, as you leave, just send your account details to me. I'll send you money, okay? so you can handle everything. If you have any issues, call me. Let me know.
When a child is told what killed his father, if time is not taken, that same thing that killed the father will kill him. That woman has truncated a lot in this community. In fact, she was the worst queen that ever came out of this palace. She brought in a borrowed blood to sit as our king. And she succeeded by her charms and voodoo. Now, what is happening?
She showed us how strong a woman can be, but in the wrong way. Ichiokaka, I understand everything you've said. But the fact still remains that she is the wife to our late Igwe. We must go and see her body and plan on how to bury her. That is it.
To again. Are you not an elder in this community? What that woman did is a taboo. What we need to do is to see Uzondo and his brother and plan on how to get that borrowed blood out of the palace.
Ichiokaka, I understand all the things you are saying. But the fact still remains, who will bury Lolo Agunwa? That is it.
Go and call your Umunna to bury her. Are you not an elder in this community? If that idiot buries her before Uguabata, we must go and remove her body from the palace. Let him not try it. That Ichiokafo is a very useless man. The same reason he went to the prison and stayed for 7 good years. I am not surprised to hear that he was the one that has been supporting that this woman and the borrowed son. He got some Ndugu and buried her like Nkita. Imagine life. But we must exhume her body and bury her in the evil forest. That is where she deserves to be buried. Because she desecrated our sacred royal throne.
It is an insult on all of us that this thing happened right under our nose. At the point of Oma defeated that evil woman, we should have been alerted and her body would have been thrown out. But now, she is buried beside the king. It is not going to be like that. I will concur with Iche Okaka.
But let me ask you, has it ever happened that someone was exhumed from the royal vault? Because why I'm saying this is that I don't want anything that will bring the wrath of the gods on us.
Well, it has not happened before, at least to the best of my knowledge. No one has ever committed such an abomination in Akawa land. No one. We warned the king not to marry that woman from Mbamiri. But what did he do? He went ahead. Now see what it has cost this land. See it? Huh? But in my own opinion, I will suggest that we forget about the exhuming and focus more on retrieving that stool. Ask one go.
Can't we retrieve the stool without doing the necessary cleansing?
My orders, please. Please. I need us to understand that this battle has already been won. We are winning. This woman we are talking about is gone. We have settled her matter. The only thing remaining now is that illegal son she imposed on us, who is still seated there. I need to remind us all that every step we've taken up till this point has been directed from the gods. And we need to keep asking it of the gods so as to know our next move. As for the body, if it results that we have to exhume it, we will exhume it. We will. Nothing will stop us. But for now, please.
My people, I'm of the opinion that we should just leave her grave and let her rest. Instead of, exhuming her body and throwing it at the evil forest. I mean, the gods have already given us the grace to be victorious. So why are we trying to overstep our boundaries?
Allow her to rest for what? What are you talking about? What is this? A woman that made us to suffer? A woman that made Mama took us away from the palace? She accused Mama wrongly. This woman made us to suffer. Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten how we suffered? And eventually Mama died. And you are here saying we should allow her to rest. Allow her to rest for what? There's no peace for the wicked. We are going to exhume that body. No peace for the wicked.
Is that enough reason to raise your voice on me? Huh?
Then what are you saying?
Am I not entitled to my own opinion?
My brother, your opinion is not valuable. Your opinion is not valid. You cannot bring that to your opinion in this kind of discussion. No, it's not allowed. You can't say that. Ugabata is lying there in the mortuary and you're here talking rubbish. What are you saying? We cannot do that. Like I said, no peace for the wicked. We're going to exhume the body and burn it to ashes.
How can you go back to exhume somebody from the royal vault? That does not make sense.
We will exhume that body and burn that body to ashes. No peace for the wicked, like I said. We're not going to do that. We must exhume the body.
That means after exhuming the body and burning the body to ashes, you still carry the ashes and they go and maybe grind it.
We'll find the river and throw the ashes. Yes, we'll find the river and throw the ashes.
No, what I'm trying to tell you is this. It's very simple. It's like killing a rat. After killing a rat.
No, it's not going to happen like that.
No,
you kill that body.
You go and throw the rat away, or you open the ground and put the rat
inside your compound.
Is there any body the ground
inside
again?
your compound? The rat will bring the rat again, and you perceive the smell. It's not going to happen. You throw them inside the bush, forest, and burn that forest even.
See, you know why I'm saying this? Let us not go and do something that we'll do tomorrow, and the gods will be against us. The wrath of the gods will be against us.
The
That's
eyes
what
of
I'm
the
saying.
gods are watching us. The eyes of the gods are watching us. The powers of our ancestors are with us. They know what we are doing. So calm down.
My brothers, please, bring it down.
No, I don't understand what he's saying.
You understand later.
But I'm entitled to my own opinion.
Am I not entitled to my own opinion? Do you understand? So I want to make it.
No, it's not why you should be shouting.
Shouting what? Shouting what? Shouting what? Okay, let me whisper. Are you okay now?
It's okay. This does not.
So let me tell you one. If not that I'm the one that remain suck breast and remain for you, what would I have done now? Even outside, if they hear you, they will be like,
until you do that.
This does not call for raising voices at each other. It doesn't. Your brother has the right to air his mind.
And I have my right too.
Of course. So let's not castigate him for saying what he feels like.
But any peace for the wicked?
Indeed, there's no peace for the wicked. But don't forget that I lost my own father as well.
Oh!
We've become victorious to it. We've won. So I don't see the reason why we should be raising voices at each other. The question we should be asking now is, when are we going to see Agoba? So that he can direct us and give us the final way forward.
How did Lola Gonwa die? I'm still in shock. She said to me directly that no woman can kill her.
Maybe it was the gods that killed her and not human. That woman was very mean and wicked. She doesn't have value for human life. She should have been created as a man because her heart is very strong.
She has been the one controlling everything in that palace. The king is just there for nothing. That woman is directing everything. I'm sure by now, she might have handed all the late king's fortune to that her son.
Our fake son, you mean? When we are done, every of our father's property will be surrendered to us. So he had better start looking for his parents or his family. Oh, I don't even know anything about it. He should better go and look for his people. Because you see this place, there is no space for him.
That's impossible. He has been there since childhood. Where will he go? Nowhere.
Who cares? He's not a family member of Agoike. That imposter does not even have father and mother. And we don't even know anything about me. We don't even know if Lola adopted him or she stole the baby. We don't even know anything about. So he should better find his way.
Your Majesty, what are you talking about? Look, sometimes I feel stupid and foolish just coming close to you. Is this how to be a man? Stand up and be a man and face your responsibilities. Let me tell you something. Your mother, Lola Agoma, handed over everything the late king got. Everything she handed over to you. Whatever anybody says, anything any idiot is saying out there, you are the first son of this royal household. You are. So stand up and face your responsibilities. Yeah? Do not be intimidated by anybody. No! Stand up and face everything. Be a man. That is how kings are made. Yes!
I don't think you understand the point.
What is the point?
I'm not afraid of anybody.
Good.
I'm not scared of anybody.
Oh.
I will never be. Everybody's gone. All my workers gone, my driver, everybody, all the people loyal to me are gone. And to some extent, it's understandable. We need men in the cabinet. We need people.
Your Majesty, I have men. I have men who are with me, and all of them are behind you. Yes! They support your reign. They support this throne. Majesty, all you have to do is confirm me with this Onowu title. That is all. And let us pick it up from there. What if also? Tupuru nkịta okwu n'iro, rapụrụ ya ọgụ ya na ndị mmụọ. Your Majesty, do the needful. Give me this title. And then we will sit down, plan, and get you a wife. That's all. Then we'll pick it up from there. Only for us. Nothing else.
Why must you presume whom the dead is already punishing? There is already a very big mighty stone placed on her coffin. She cannot move. And her spirit is caged due to her iniquities. Just go and bury her brother. But you must be very careful. There are who charms placed around the king, which that evil Lolo brought from her side, Mbamiri. Do not allow that boy to touch any of you.
If it is like that, we have to fight out. I think defeating that woman will give us rest.
What are we going to do? Eh? Since we've taken care of this woman, whatever is remaining of that illegal king is something we can handle. We have to push him. I have to push him until he takes a stand.
I will give you all Nollywood paper. As you want to go and bury your brother, he will not say anything. But this alligator pepper will shrink whatever the evil woman must have brought from her side. Their aim is already been defeated. As long as the evil woman is gone. But always leave the alligator pepper in your pocket.
Agabaidu, the great masquerade. May the gods of our land keep blessing you.
You see?
We heard everything that you said. Shall obey you. We will no more assume that body. I have one question. What if that fake king, resists the process of that burial? What happens? What do we do?
Good one. He will not put off a fight if he see men like you. But if that occurs, with the alligator pepper in your pocket, push him aside. Do not fight him. Am I understood? As far as I'm concerned, the battle is over. Akama ngugu. Ngugu onye kelie.
Why is she coming to my dream? Why is she always coming to my dream? Is she my mother? I mean, even my late mom has not visited me the way she does. Me, I'm scared though. I'm scared.
But what did she do? To harm you?
No, really. Okay. She cries in pain and always complains that there's something so heavy that she can't move. But why is she coming to me? Why is she visiting me in my dreams? Eh? Do I look like Ezenwai? Do I look like Ezenwai? She should stop coming to me or she should visit the king. It's not me that she should be coming to. But wait. Goma, are you trying to say that you don't see her in your dreams? Like she has never visited you?
Tofiakwa, she wouldn't dare. Maybe her soul is not resting in peace.
Yes, you are right. You know that woman is not a good woman. She's not a good woman. She imposed the non-royal blood in a kingdom where royalty always come from a true royal blood. And she brought somebody who... Those who came from here and have turned ancestors are not happy with her. That's why she's not resting in peace. See, this is no matter of Yeah, I'm living here because everything around here, even this flower, is scary. Everything here. I'm scared. I'm living here. Don't, it's a modern.
Ichie Udoma. Odogumoki. Ikalesi. Where are you going to?
I went to see the great seer.
Okay.
Concerning this issue of exhuming the late Lolo's body. But he warned us that we should not try it.
Oh. I said it. I know that the gods must frown at such behavior. I know. Because such a thing has never been carried out in this kingdom. Never. So, what did the seer say we should do?
You see, Onoma, a lot is wrong in this kingdom. The great seer told me that the gods have refused to speak because we, the elders, have refused to do that which is right. Then I asked him, what did the gods want us to do?
See, in my own opinion, I think we should first look for another eye of the gods that will replace that old fool that connived with the late Agonwa to crown that idiot that has no respect. Then we forcefully get him out of the palace by all means necessary.
Exactly what he said. He said we should do everything within our power to remove him. Oh yes. Well, anyways, let me go home, refresh. When I'm done, I will go see Ichio Kaka.
Ngwano.
It's alright.
We'll see later then.
It's okay.
It's your doma. It's your doma. You got off, ma.
It's alright. See you then.
Why are you taking your bag to?
I want to sincerely appreciate all of you for the safety you offered me and the release of my mother and my sister from the palace cell. I also want to appreciate all of you for all your efforts to free our kingdom. Thank you so much for the money you gave to me. I want to go and join my mother so that I will look for something else I'll be doing.
Yes.
Chidogo, you're beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
You're articulated. You're calm. Say, I am happy myself that you took part of the liberation. It is not every girl that will have the bravery, the strength that you showed. You showed us that you can do it even under pressure. And we are happy with you. We are grateful. Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's good. Chidogo. Well, we're not going to stop you from seeing your mother or staying with her. But just know that you are part of us. You are family. Chiamaka is your sister. And we are hoping that the gods will help us to restore this kingdom to what it used to be. You're always good. Continue to be good. And my brother here, Former, when you're ready, you let us know so that we'll ask for her the marriage. And I noticed how you said she's good, she's beautiful and all that. So, Former, we're waiting.
Take care of yourself.
Because your mother. Okay. Former. So, we're not waiting for you.
What you're saying now is that the ball is in my court. So
Exactly.
Man, I haven't wanted to go there.
You are welcome once more. We will go to that palace and tell him what we intend to do. If he fails to leave the palace in 7 market days, everybody is blaming us that we couldn't do what we are supposed to do. Imagine Onunganga, the great seer from Umuizo, said the same thing.
Especially when it has to be Ichie Udoma, who said he will never step his foot in a Dibia's house that went to see him. I think he must have changed his mind.
I think he must have changed. He must have changed.
Onunganga is a seer. Nagbafa but not Adibia. Nameruani. His divinations are always known to be true.
Oh yes. Then if that is the case, did he tell you whether the king will step down on the throne or he will not?
No, he didn't say much. He only said we did not do what we are supposed to do. That was all he said.
You see? You see? You see why the gods remain silent and not performing? You see? I will personally go to that palace and deliver this message to him directly. He is not our king.
At all. At all.
I see no reason why he is still there in the palace. Why won't the gods be silent and not performing?
It's okay. It's a very good one.
Good morning, Chief.
Yeah, good morning. Where are all the people working in this palace?
They have all left.
Does it mean you are the only person in the entire palace?
No, we are only 2 remaining.
Are you from Akawa Kingdom?
No, I'm from Nato.
The other person, where is she from?
She's from Akawa here.
From Akawa here?
Yes.
Go and call her for me.
Okay.
Now.
Yes.
Quickly.
Yes.
What are you still doing in this palace when others have gone? They have left.
She begged me to stay. Hence, it's only the king remaining. So we don't leave him alone. This morning, I told her that I was going to leave, that I was no longer comfortable staying there. But she asked me to stay.
No son or daughter of Akawa is supposed to be seen within this palace. The king is not here, so nobody should be here. You heard what I said? What part of Akawa are you from? And who is your father?
I'm from Udenu village. From Wakude family.
Wakude family. Go and pack your things and leave immediately. You heard what I said? Yes. Go home. I will send for you when we finish what we want to do in this palace. You heard what I said? Yes. And you too. Pack and leave.
Yes, sir.
Because if you don't, what will happen to you will be more than you and your family.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to come back here and see you people here. What are you still doing in this palace? Who is your father? Who is your mother? This palace has been taken away. And this stool you are sitting on is no longer yours. You have 7 market days to live here. Or we shall come for you. Enough is enough.
Okaka, what you are talking is absolute rubbish. Arrant nonsense. Bonkomic bonkom. That is what you are talking. Who are you? No, who do you think you are, Okaka? Let me tell you. He has every right to sit on this throne. And I am talking as the owner of this kingdom. Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Oh no.
Eh?
Oh no. Are you a drunkard? You are a drunk. No. Yes. Who made you an ono? Okafor. Okafor. we shall come for all of you. Stay here and wait.
Get out of here! Will you get out of here? Look at you. Look at you. Who gave you that red cap you're putting on? Eh? Eh? Look at him.
Where are these girls? Where are these girls? Have they gone? Eh? Good morning. Where is she?
She has left.
And you, what are you still doing here?
My clothes are wet. So as soon as they dry up, I will leave. But my village is far, and I've not received my salary.
He that fights for what does not belong to him, we surely tire one day. Makanifa utaloneze, odejua for manja.
Thank you, sir.
You prefer evil.
Carry your things and go. You heard what I said?
Yes, sir.
If I come back and see any of you, you are gone.
You destroy futures. There is an eye watching you from afar.
Well, I think that's what we will do. We'll plan for Gwabata's burial. We'll name it Last Ofala Festival of a King. Gwabata was a king, so we need to accord him that respect. Nobody should stop us from doing that.
Gwabata was never a king. Let us not just do something now that will bring issues. See, our duty is to go there and take over the royal seat. And not do something that people will begin, before you know it, people will now start talking ill about us. And I wouldn't want a situation where we attach Last Ofala, king, to Ugabata's burial ceremony. It will not work. Ugabata was never a king. He was just a prince.
Okay. If you're seeing it like this, that means you've not been fighting for something meaningful. All this why?
Also, your blood is always hot. Calm down. See, let us go there and remove that boy from that seat. Because he was crowned illegally. Because that boy was adopted. See, that because he was adopted as a child, that gives him the right of his son. That's what I'm trying to let you know.
What are you talking about? What are you even saying? I hope you are not saying this thing aside. Huh? What type of human being are you? Yes. What right has someone who is not part of your family has? What right? Is he the king's son? No. Born by the king's wife? No. Extended family of the king? No. So what are you insinuating?
What I'm insinuating is this. Now listen very attentively. According to law, if someone was officially adopted into any family, that person becomes a bona fide member of that family. The only difference is that in a situation where, of course, tradition, culture differs. Do you understand me? Tradition and culture differ. So, in some situations, that person might not become the king or a king in that community where he was adopted into. Do you understand me? Because of the differences in culture and tradition. But as for becoming a bona fide member of that family or where he comes from, wherever he was adopted into, that it is, you can't even touch that.
Which law are you talking about? Huh? Is it our tradition? Which law are you talking about? That a borrowed blood will now come here and become the king? What are you even saying?
What I'm saying is very simple. You ask me what I'm saying. I say when you adopt somebody, that person becomes a member of that family. The only difference is that in the case of this idiot, what do you want to do? We need to remove him. Because he went there, he became a king illegally. He was not supposed to be a king.
I'm talking about the borrowed blood. I'm talking about Gwabata. Gwabata was a king.
No. Ugabata was supposed to be a king, but he was never a king. He died before being crowned as a king. That's what I'm trying to tell you. For the fact that he was a prince before he died, he remained, his corpse or whatever, his status quo remains a king, a prince. So he should be celebrated, he should be buried like a prince and not a king. I am telling you, see, people will come here. People will start talking nonsense about us.
Are you sure Ichioka didn't come here to give him something to drink when I was not around? Something is wrong somewhere. I would must never be a part of that rubbish. I can never have a brother like that. He must go back to where he was adopted from. Yes, I put my life on the line. Rubbish.
Honestly, that's the best thing. Again, why are you doing her like this? I was on the. We never seen hand off for what?
Onyechi mmadụ n'ala, o jikwa onwe ya. Onyechi nwatakịrị n'ala, onwe ya ka ọ na-ata afụfụ. Onyechi mmadụ ibe ya, o jikwa onwe ya. Onyechi nwatakịrị n'ala, onwe ya ka ọ na-ata afụfụ. Ya mala mmanụ anụ abụọ, ife onye chọrọ ka ọ ga-afụ n'ụwa. Okilikili ka na-agba ose adị alị elu. Kilikili ka na-ekili ododo, ejiri ododo eni ozu ma ncha. Nwata bunye nna ya enu, ayochie ya ya. 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 Olugo mgbe ekele mgbaji agba n'obodo. Olugo mgbe ajọ mmụọ ji agba n'obodo. Olugo mgbe ekele mgbaji agba n'obodo. Olugo mgbe ajọ mmụọ ji agba n'obodo. He that fights for what does not belong to him will surely tire. One day.
What is happening? Why is everywhere open? From the gate, these two doors up to this place is open. Are you not scared?
I'm not scared. I have never been scared. I'm a man. Anything that wants to happen, let it happen. I'll be here to witness it. Everybody is gone. The woman who brought me here is gone. All my workers, servants, maids, guards, all gone. I'm only here with men and women buried in the palace vaults.
Your Majesty, I don't know why you sound so despondent. But I have assured you before, we can fight for this mantle. We already have it. We shall win. Nothing is happening. Nothing.
Do you have children, Ichie?
Yes, I have children.
How many?
I have 6 children, Your Majesty. Why do you ask?
Are they together or scattered?
Of course they're together. They're together, happily. Your Majesty, I don't understand why you're asking me these questions.
Why do you keep advising me to continue fighting the entire village?
A man has to be a man. Stand on your feet and fight for that which belongs to you. Why would the man chicken out? For what? No, it's not done anywhere. Your Majesty, let me tell you something. The fire which is put on the palms of the child does not harm the child. Stand your ground, Gidigba. Bachiri, that is what a man does.
Ichie, this has nothing to do with bravery. It has nothing to do with chickening out. Let me ask you a question. If you adopt a child, then you end up having your own children. Are you going to maintain that the adopted child be seen as the first child?
Your Majesty, I'm not going to answer that question. I will not. But I'll be on my way. I'll see you later.
What? Are you serious? King, Agwike is calling me.
Agwike kwa?
Yes. Why is he calling me? What for? I've left the palace. I even ran for my dear life. I didn't even bother to collect my salary. Why is he calling me now?
If he calls again, please pick the call. It might be other maidens that wants to speak with you. Never can tell.
He's calling again. Hello? Your Majesty.
Yes, Chidiogo, how are you?
I am fine.
I want to see you.
You want to see me? How? I thought you have released my mother and my sister. Why do you want to see me? I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the death of your mother. I'm really sorry for everything. I will not come and see you. I will not come to the palace.
I understand your position. But my mother is dead and gone. She's already buried. As for me, I have forgiven you. But I want to see you. It's important. If you don't feel safe, you can come here with someone. I promise you, you will not be harmed. I want to see you.
Okay, Your Majesty. I will get back to you. He said you want to see me, oh.
Go and see him now. I'm sure it's not for the other issue. There might be something wrong. The little I know about Obiefuna, he cannot hurt anybody. Yes, he's not capable of hurting anybody. He was just being corrupted by his mother.
Is Obiefuna his name?
Yes, that's his name. Oh, is it because people are addressing him with my father's title? Agwike one of Akawa. That's his name on them.
Chamaka, if I'm to go there, we will go together.
Onye, Muma, hey, please, oh. Do you want my brothers to cut off my neck? I'm not going anywhere with you, oh. Don't worry, don't be scared. We will not do anything to you. That I'm sure of. What do you do?
If eventually the people push him out of this community,
Yes.
please, what will become of him?
I need to understand why you are asking all these questions.
You know, my father has always, in fact, when my father was alive, he had always known that boy as his son.
Okay.
I'm sure my father did not even know that that boy was adopted. You understand? So he has always seen him as his son, as his blood.
Yes.
And when my father died, you understand? Even though this woman tried so much, she played the first one on my dad when he was still alive, to make him look like that was his son, even though she adopted him. But when my father died, this woman did everything to make sure that that boy becomes the king. Even though the elders revolted, regardless of what happened, she insisted that that boy becomes the king. And now, there is plan to push that same person, this boy, now that the mother is dead, there is plan to push him out of the community. In fact, they've given him 7 market days to vacate the palace. And if he stays, as who? Is he staying as who?
Listen to me. That question is very big for me. Most importantly, let us free the royal house first. And when we get to that bridge, we will cross it. Then other things can follow. But let me ask you, why are you asking all these questions?
Uncle, the reason is just simple. Because I want to know if he's staying, then that means we'll be ready to, get him a place. And he's already bearing our father's name, the royal son name. And that thing is a thing of concern. As far as I'm concerned, it's a thing of concern. It worries me.
Okay. I think I will look into that.
When the evil is on the throne, when the evil people are on the throne, when the evil is on the throne,
See, just stay here and wait for me. But please, if you did not see me, come inside. Or better still, start shouting. You understand?
But please, be fast. Chidogo, be really fast, please. I need to leave here. I'm not comfortable staying here at all.
Okay, no problems. I will not waste time.
Test you with my phone.
nowhere to go. They are stronger than me. Fadini bo dino ibo. Fajalu bendi bo. Alile mwebo munchimo. Alile mwebo ewutabo. When the evil is on the throne,
Let me start by apologizing for what I did to your mother and your sister. It's obvious I did it at that time because I didn't know better. I'm sorry.
There's no problem, Your Highness.
I understand that when you ran away from this palace, you went to live with Ikeka and Uzondo.
Yes, Your Highness.
I would like to see them. I know they may not want to see me because a lot has transpired between us. But that's why I called you. I want to see them.
Your Highness, Chamaka is the only daughter of the king. I will talk to her. She will talk to her brothers. With her, I know everything will be settled. She will talk to her brothers. She can as well bring her brothers to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Highness. I will be on my way now. Thank you, Your Highness. He wants to make peace with all of you. He's tired. He asked me to tell all of you to come and take your throne back. He now understands that life is nothing without brothers. Please, see him, understand him, and let everything be bygone.
We should let everything be bygone. Oh, now he knows, he understands that we are brothers. Why? Because he knows that he now stands alone? Or because his mother who imposed him on us is no more? See, he was in Ojihe nwata wenye aka enu. Akaghị afụ ya ụfụ. And he must bring it down. And this is the point. He should just allow the 7 days ultimatum to elapse. Ka ezigbo mmiri zoo. Mmiri ama ya okwete na ọ na-eme. He will see it. Anyways, we are not going to kill him. We won't. The best thing for him is to leave this kingship and find his way.
Find his way?
Yes, find his way. Is he your brother?
Sorry.
You are the only daughter of the king. I called you here because I want you to help me talk to your brothers. I know if I talk to them, they may not listen to me, and that's because we have a history. So, I need you to help me talk to them. Tell them I want to have a meeting with them. Tell them it's important. We have something serious to discuss.
I have heard, but my brother Uzondo is the problem. I'll work something out. I'll try my best.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We'll be on our way now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Chiamaka, you cannot go and listen to that criminal, that killer, that impostor. You cannot listen to his lies, watch his crocodile tears. And you come here to be telling me rubbish. He does not belong here. Whose brother is he? Yours or mine? Huh?
Brother, Obiefuna has been with us in this palace. We have been seeing ourselves as the king's children from different mother. Yes, he made a mistake. His life has torn in several ways. Please, let's forgive him. And let's live as one family. Where do you want him to go to, brother?
Oh, because he didn't kill all of us. Because he didn't kill me. That guy desecrated the royal throne. He has to go. Doesn't belong here. The fight was for him to leave our father's throne. And now he has vacated the throne and asked us to come and take it back. So I don't see any reason why you should just, why we should allow him to go like that, just like that. I mean, we should just allow him, maybe just ask him to come in and become one of us. Where? To stay where? No way. It can't happen. Who killed your brother, Guabata? Saint Ikeka, who killed your brother? Sister Chiamaka, Onome Eliza, who killed your brother? Isaiah just talking rubbish. Yeah, you bring him, you can't stay. Stay where?
Was
no, but he will not come around here.
Was he the one that killed our brother?
Okay, who killed your brother?
The mother did.
The mother?
Yes.
Okay, the mother and the son, they are not the same.
No.
He's an accomplice. He's an accomplice. You don't know.
I am telling you, I don't think he was involved in it.
Okay, go and carry him and rent a place for him and stay with him. Since you want him.
I have always known that Lolo Agunwa has been the problem in this palace. Ever since the king died, that young boy has been finding a way to make peace with the real owners of the throne.
Apart from this royal imbroglio, who is the first son of the king?
Ugwabata is now. Even though this Obiefuna was brought into the palace first as a child, but traditionally, the first son that came out from the king's scrotum is Ugwabata. You understand it now?
What then happens to this Obiefuna now that he hands off the throne?
He still remains the king's son, but not biologically. You understand? In the 10th generation, he can never be king. None of his offsprings can ever be related to royalty. But reason, men marry, and even if they cannot give birth to a child, they know what to do. Just that these days, civilization and westernization has crept in, and men have turned into zombies. Doing anyhow.
Everything scattered.
Ugwabata is.
Thank you. Thank you. Today is a great day in Akawa kingdom. A day we have come to the end of the royal tussle. Brothers at war, friends at war. In fact, the royal home will come back to life again. We shall crown our new Igwe. We know the person to be crowned. Ufoma here will replace his late father as the new Ono. Have I spoken your minds, people of Akawa?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I'm happy about this reconciliation. If I have wronged anybody here, please forgive me. I'm sorry. I don't think anybody would blame me. I was only doing what I felt was right. As a man, it's a taboo for you to sit down and allow anybody take what you believe is rightfully yours. No man should allow that. And that's why I kept on fighting. But sadly, what I was fighting for is not mine. So it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense if I keep fighting. It doesn't make sense holding this kingdom to ransom, stopping the kingdom from progressing. It doesn't make sense Ugwabata's body remaining in the mortuary, all because of someone's selfish interest. So I say let the kingdom move forward. Let there be a new king. And of course, congratulations to the new Ono. I wish you the very best. As we all know, the late king had properties. They're all intact. The documents are here. All safe. As for me, I'll be returning to the UK. Let me continue my life over there. It's obvious I don't belong here. But I wish you all the best. I pray the gods should protect everybody here. Best wishes.
My brother, You're not going anywhere. You belong here. We have been sharing the same surname as long as I have known you. In fact, it is now that I know that you have a pure heart. Like I said, you're not going anywhere. You stay with us. You belong here. We share the same trait. Stay the same lineage. No matter what happened. We want you. We live together as a family. So, please sit down. We share the same heart, the same trait. Akwayami. Yes, that's true. You are not one of us. Stay with us. What?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, brother.
As it is woman to forgive.
Nah.
Chabaka, are you supposed?
Oboni aja tukwa lo mo. Hey, mo de pe. Igade. Solo gade bu pe bu ndi mo, iga pa wu kweli. Oboro wa di bi bwaga na bu okoko bisi. Ona no pa ifo mo ndi mo na eku ebe. Mama bubu kwanu kumo. Neme. Hey. Wobojo chanuzo. Alili wabo ya kalmano. Mabu.